Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can download the Claude Desktop application. So if you wish to install the Claude Desktop application, what you will need to do is simply launch any web browser of your choice, like I have did in Google Chrome, and then type in this, that is Claude Desktop download, and hit the enter button. You will see this website claude.com and it will say download Claude by Anthropic. So click onto the first link or any other similar link by claude.com and wait for the page. Now it says download Claude. So I'll be downloading it for Windows. So I can simply click onto this download for Windows option. If you have any another operating system, you can also download it for Mac OS, Windows ARM 64, iOS and Android apps are available as well. Now once you can see that the Claude setup.exe has been successfully downloaded, simply try to launch it and here you can see that this is installing Claude. Now it will first download a 168 megabytes of package, and once this package has been successfully downloaded, Claude will be successfully installed onto your system without any further dependencies. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.